Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammed Adnan. In this video, we are going to discuss about text input, that is how to add a table into Alteryx Designer. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So this is the Alteryx Designer, and on the first in and out palette, you have this option text input. You can drag and drop this to into canvas, and on the configuration window you got this option. You can copy and paste the Excel value here, or you can create by your own. So this is the month number for example and month name. So you can click here one. You can copy the data from here to an Excel file, or you can from Excel file you can paste it here as well, so it will perfectly paste the data. And in the delete you have options like delete all rows, delete a single row, that is the one which is the cursor highlighted here for the October, or delete the column, this column name column, or delete the header. So if you delete the header, so it will just take the first row as an header and insert here the row, column and header as well. So you click on header, it will insert the header. I can give it a name, month number, month name. So you have this data. For most of the functions you need to browse the data. So drag and drop the browse tool here and click on Ctrl R or run. Now here in the result window you can see the data. If you want to edit the data here, you can also do that. Click here, it will open up the same window. You can do the changes whatever you can. User ID, you can copy paste here the values. So bring up here, and if you go click on browse here, it will not run because the data which has already run is the old record. So you need to click on the run here. Now the new column has been added. So this is how you can able to input the data or add a table into Alteryx Designer. So if you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.